For great cooking results every time, it's important to keep your Searwood Pellet Grill clean. We recommend cleaning the grill after any low and slow cook. Let's start with the inside of the cook box. Use a grill brush to scrape the grates and remove debris. Remove the grates from the grill. Then, use a scraper tool to clean the flavorizer bar and then remove it. Lift and tip the heat diffuser to pour out ash and then remove it. Unscrew the wing screws and remove the burn pot. Clear ash out of the burn pot. Next, scrape off the heat deflector and remove from the grill. And scrape all the sides of the cookbox into the grease tray. After cleaning, put the parts you removed back into the grill. Now let's move to the grease and ash system. It's easy. Just pull out the grease tray and scrape into the grease catch. Throw away the foil drip pan and replace it with a new one. Push the grease tray and catch all the way back into place. And finally, if you have a Searwood XL600 pellet grill, finish the job by wiping off the fuel lens with a dry, soft cloth every 10 bags of pellet fuel used. Now, you're ready for your next cook. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.